So this is our vlog of the bathroom renovation. Right now we're demolishing this bathroom, but we will be, I look like Red Fox on Harlem Nights, but this is my demolition glasses. But yeah, we will be demolishing this bathroom and putting a new shower in, taking out this bathtub and putting in a shower with a door that will upgrade this bathroom. New vanity there, new medicine cabinet, new toilet. So stay tuned and you will see documented footage of this demo and then remodel. Let's just demolish it. Fuck it. So right now I got my PPE on, getting ready to demolish these walls. We got our PPE, we ready to go. You ready?
Oh, this is not the look that, this is just whatever. It is what it is.
It is what it is. So we got the toilet out. I didn't get a chance to record that, but it was a simple process. Just broke it off and pulled it out and took it on downstairs. So now we're about to work. And I also took the fixtures off. Now I'm about to get this wall off. And the issue right now is we can't turn the water out to the house yet because we got to cap off the water line to the sink. And
I did want to speed this up though.
yeah, go ahead.
It's so fine because I don't want to go into the thing.
This is the next process. So slowly getting this wall done. Got the shower out. Got the toilet out. Half of the wall off. Medicine cabinet off. Lighting out. So I turned the water off to the house to be able to cap off the water lines at the sink and the tub while we finished the construction. We did that by adding shutoff valves, the kind that just click on. Now, that's done.
It was replaced because the toilet has been leaking for decades. And this is what's left of it.
So next thing here is demolishing and taking out this floor and demolishing this tub. So the main reason for us remodeling this bathroom is because the toilet has been leaking for years, causing mold and rotting the floor underneath it.
It won't break.
And then the next thing we have to do also is bust up this tub, which is going to be hard work with the sledgehammer.
I am.
Let the hammer.
I am. I'm just a woman.
So I busted up the tub as much as I can. It's some hard work. That thing is tough. I think it's cast iron. I didn't really get to record most of it because I was doing it myself and I forgot to tell my wife to push the record button. So this is a little bit of the video of it. Sticking up over there. Need to go behind it up top. We got the drywall up. Now and we got the shower pan / tub in. Now we just need to get the plumbing together so I can in the shower tower so I can come back and finish this off. This is the pattern that we're looking for. Offset tile, and then with this mosaic tile halfway up, and then finishing with the offset all the way up to the top. And then the floor is the same tile as the wall. Part of the tile in. It's coming together. The bathroom is coming along. We got the tile to the ceiling. Got the shower pan. Looks like a tub, but it's a shower pan with a seat. Tile complete. We just need to ground it in, and the floor is complete now. This is the same tile that's on the wall. It's here on the floor. It's just a different pattern. After cleaning up the tile, got the tile cleaned up, ready for grout. The floor also. Just need to wash off the excess grout. And then the floor is done. Toilet's in. Shower's in.